Welcome back, fellow YouTubers. It's spring. Look what I got. This clover. It grows everywhere. Little white clover. They turn purple after a while. See them? So, basically what we're going to do today, this is a what we're going to call nature's snack. These are edible. I'm not going to go into what all they do because the purpose of this video is just to show you how to cook it. Okay? But what we're going to do is we're going to take these and we're going to put them on a plate. And we're going to make a batter. And then we're going to deep fry them. Okay? So, I'm going to turn this around here. And lift this up here. You see all my stuff here? Let's see if you can see it or not. There we go. That's a little better. So, what I have is flour, cornmeal, salt, pepper, milk, and a whiskey thing. And some hemp. The hemp strain that I'm using today is Suver Haze. You don't have to add it if you don't want to, but I like the flavor. So, right now I have oil over there heating up. We're going to add, with a spoon, we're going to add some flour, because we don't need a whole lot. We're going to add some cornmeal. So this is 3 tablespoons of flour and a tablespoon and a half of cornmeal right now. And add some pepper. Like that much. Some salt. And then this is 1 gram. 1 gram. In there. Then we're going to add the milk. Okay. So, it's almost like a milkshake, sort of. Like, it's not real thick and it's not real thin. So I'm going to move the camera over to the stove. Okay, so this is just vegetable oil in a little cast iron pan. It's only about an inch, ½ inch deep. Doesn't have to be very much. Now, I leave the stems on, right? What I do is this. Dip them down in here. Like this. Until they're completely covered. And just drop it in. Lay the stem off to the side, like that. Now, as you can see, this don't take long. There you go. 20 seconds, and it's done. Now lay it on a paper towel to dry, like this. Now I'm going to make the rest, and then I'll come back, okay? Show you how to finish it up. Welcome back, fellow YouTubers, fellow subscribers, fellow viewers, fellow medicators, fellow bushcrafters, fellow campers, fellows of all kinds. Now, I showed you exactly how to do this, how to cook these clovers. Now, you can top them off with a little Old Bay if you're having them with seafood. You're having them with some Italian. You can top them off with some garlic. But what I like to do is I just like to eat them by themselves. Now, I have made these and cooked them and added them off to the side as like fritters, things like that with other foods. But here's I'm going to show you what I like to do. Okay, bring it up here closer so you can see it. So this is the final result. Here they are. There's stems are still on them. I'll show you why I leave the stems on. So I got me a little dish here. If you ever go to the Chinese food restaurant and you get your Chinese food, that hot mustard. Oh my God, it's so good. What I like to do, is I like to just take this hot mustard. Let's get the wrapper open. I like to take this hot mustard, just like this. Now this is really cool because if you're camping or you're backpacking and you get everything prepared and take it with you, you can just put these in your pocket. Put them in your backpack, whatever. So now we got that mustard. I'm going to show you something so good. Oh my God, right here. That's what this little stem is for. Oh my Lord. The hemp and the clover. Oh my. It's like a little tasty little cherry. Now, these are so good in fiber. They're an excellent source of vitamin C. They're just all around awesome. You're not much to chew, so it's not like you gotta grind through them. You just dunk them in this. So, I hope this inspires you to start cooking some of the things around your house. And it's going to be the first installment of a Stony Snacks for this channel. I hope this helps you to to start to experiment a little with your food. Now, get on over to hold on. If you haven't been there yet, go on over to my other channel, my partner channel, My DM Life. I have tons of awesome bushcraft and survival skill videos and stuff like that. I'm going to soon get out and start making structures and things, but right now, basically what I'm doing is I'm just doing what I can in this part of the year to bring you guys up to speed of things that can be done before you start to go out into the field, and things that you can do at home. And I hope this just helps you guys to learn how to apply your hemp into your everyday life, because I mean, you're on the trail, you got this stuff you can gather, a few things you brought with you. You can make the batter ahead of time, put it in a baggie. I was going to show that, but I figured I'd just say so. Then stop, dunk them in there, make some bacon. When I do it out in the field, I make bacon, and then I just use the bacon fat to fry them. That's what the little handle's for. You know, and then dip them in my mustard. Also, I started a Patreon. If you want to support My DM Life or any of the other things I'm doing, please feel free. I'll make sure that I put that in the description, along with the ratios and the ingredients for this. So until next time, guys, I know this was a quick video. I think it's only about 10 minutes. It's basically just a snack video, a hemp snack video that you can use the flower or the clover around your yard to enjoy as a side dish or even just a snack. So until next time, guys, please feel free to eat your weeds and be safe, be
be well, be kind.